Hey there, this is going to be a how-to on how to use launch control on a Camaro. So this is a 6th gen Camaro V6 1LE, and I believe you can only use the launch control in Camaros that have the track driving mode available. So that would be the 1LE versions of the 4-cylinder and the V6, and then SS and above I think all have it. So you can go to your timer by pressing left on this button, going down to performance pages, and then just scroll through it until you find the timer. And then to actually initiate launch control, you're going to go into sport or track. I'm going to do track for this, and then you're going to want to go into competitive driving mode, which is double tapping this button right here. This is the traction control button, so you hit it like so, and then it'll say StabiliTrak competitive mode. I believe this is not stability control and traction control all the way off. It lets you have some fun, but I believe it still has something protecting you, I guess. So once you engage competitive mode, launch control will be activated by default. So all you gotta do, press ready, first gear, floor it, and the revs will set, and then go. So I short shifted a little bit there, and it's pretty cold outside, only 31 degrees, but there you go. Just try it and leave your best time if you got a V6.